Welcome. If you've been looking to give your Discord app a sleek new look, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to turn on dark mode on your Discord app for Android. So, let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, locate your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your account settings. Next, look for the gear icon, located at the top right corner of your screen. Tapping on this will open the settings menu, where you can customize your Discord experience. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Appearance. Tap on it to access the visual settings for your app. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a section called Theme. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you can choose between different visual themes. Finally, you'll find several options at the bottom of the screen. Select Dark Mode to activate it. And just like that, you've transformed your Discord experience with a stylish dark theme that's easier on the eyes. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your newly customized Discord, and happy chatting.